Hello everyone, welcome from today YouTube online lecture. This is a Professor BK Bairagi from KK Wag College Sanduri, Department of Geography, Class F5 BSc. Today's online lecture we going to discuss about the temperature and heat budget. Temperature and heat budget, these are the climatical and hydrological studies, very important phenomena. On this lecture we going to understand the insolation and heat budget. So we starting about the energy system. The atmosphere is the open energy system, which means the atmosphere is free. It's receive energy from both direction. In upper it means sun, and the downward means earth. Compare with the sun, solar energy can be negligible. All life process, all exchange matter energy between earth surface and ocean land derived from solar energy. It means that solar energy is the luminous, self-luminous energy which is related to the planetary circulation system of atmosphere. Oceans, forest, water change various form, liquid, solid, gas is also related to the solar radiation. Solar radiation, it means incoming solar radiation emitted from the sun. Surface temperature of the sun is 6000 degrees Celsius. It is spectrum combined energy of different wavelength. Most of the visible light rays which we see, it's called the short waves. Energy emitted by earth surface temperature 15 degrees Celsius, and it's known as terrestrial energy, which also known as long waves. Higher temperature of object is shorter wavelength, the radiant energy received of the sun, and which is it take time to 8 minutes 20 seconds to reach the solar energy to the earth surface. That's why solar system, it's very important factor, key factor, which are infusing all the animals, planets and human being. The insolation, the prime source of energy with the atmospheric sun. The sun is constantly release energy in all direction, which is known as solar radiation. It is also known as electromagnetism waves energy, which are divided in many waves, which is known as insolation. All weather phenomena affected by various meteorological parameters which affected by insolation. Insolation, its short note, it means that incoming solar radiation means insolation, and it is related to the heat budget also. So we going to focus on insolation as well as heat budget also. Heat budget, it is related to the outgoing energy and incoming energy. The balance between the outgoing and incoming energy, it's known as heat budget. There are many waves, there are many processes, many activities are happen in the atmosphere, in upper part also, lower part also, and middle part also. These are all factor which infusing to the make the balance between the incoming energy, which means coming to the sun. Outgoing means those energy coming and come into enter in the earth surface and going to the earth atmosphere cloud, we call this the outgoing energy. These are the diagram, and it's indicate that the budget of the solar radiation. As we see, there are many process are actually happen in this diagram. You see in this diagram, the incoming solar radiation is 100%, which coming into the atmosphere. There are many many concept, many process are occur in atmosphere when the 100% energy come into the atmosphere, such as reflection, scattering, absorption, incoming solar radiation. When the 100% energy come into the atmosphere, the 16% energy absorbed by the gases and dust, 4% reflected upward, 6% scattered, 20% repelled by upward, 30% lost by space, and 3% absorbed by cloud. The total is 35, and 19% which is coming into the atmosphere, and remaining 11% energy absorbed by surface acts direct and indirect in radiation. These are the all process which actually known as the heat budget. Incoming solar radiation and outgoing solar radiation, the balance between incoming and outgoing solar radiation is known as heat budget. These are about the heat budget. As we see the diagram, the yellow line discover the incoming solar radiation which is 100% which coming to the atmosphere. When it's coming to the atmosphere, 21% in direct radiate absorb, then 16% absorbed by gas and dust, it's 37, then 3% absorbed by cloud, which total 40%. In 40% reflect by upward, 90% absorbed by the atmosphere, 20% radiate reflect by downward. These are all the heat budget.